Tremendous cute.
Who's your favorite pit master's favorite pit master?
Grate. Yeah.
What's going on, Tremendous Q fans? It's your boy here, Ray Morse, owner Pit Master Tremendous Q, and today I'm back with another quick video for you guys. All right, now not going to be doing any food videos today. Today I'm actually going to be talking about my favorite grill cleaning tool. Okay, so not super sexy, but something that if you are a barbecue enthusiast, this is definitely a video that you're going to want to watch. All right, now before I jump into this, you know I got to thank everybody for stopping by. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn on those notifications so you can get notified when I drop all my latest content. All right. And for all my returning subscribers, you know I appreciate you guys' support. Go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, and let's go ahead and jump into the video. All right. Now, I have been cooking for about 8-ish years. All right, and I am incredibly enthusiastic about keeping my grills clean, outside and inside. With the grill grates, these probably get the most abuse of everything on your grill, because they get hit with heat from the bottom, and then the grease and the meat, your proteins, your veggies on top. So these things get really, really, really dirty. Over the years, I've used sprays, I've used metal grill cleaning brushes, all right, with these metal bristles. I have used the wooden scrapers, okay? This is the Grate scrape. And this right here is what today's video is about. This is a porous grate cleaning stone, and I'm going to clean this grate with this stone today so you guys can see just how good it looks. All right, now the deal is with these metal brushes is you have to worry about the bristles coming off, getting stuck in between the corners or the welded parts on the grate, and potentially getting into your food, and that's just an all-around a bad day. These wooden scrapers, these work great, but they don't get the char that is stuck on the grill. Okay, these are really good at getting that excess food off of your grates, but if you want to get that char, you want to get everything, this is absolutely the tool to use. This is a great cleaning stone, and this will get the food, and the wind is not going to cooperate with me today. All right. This will get the food off of your grate and the char as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm gonna do a quick demonstration with all three so you guys can see just how good this porous stone is. That way you don't just have to take my word for it. You'll see proof is in the pudding, right? You'll see with this, the wooden scrape and the metal grill brush, they just do not compare to this great cleaning stone. Okay, so before we get to cleaning, you guys can see I got a lot of food kind of cooked on this thing. All right, we got a lot of char. This is what we're trying to get rid of, okay? All of this char, this food, this excess, this is what we're trying to get rid of, all right? This is what we want our grate to return to. We want to get it back to this stainless steel, okay? And that's what that grate cleaning stone is gonna help us do. You can see we got a little bit of stainless steel that popped up over here with the grate cleaning brush. All right, turn it around. So it does get some of the good, but it doesn't get all of it. All right, now let's try with the scrape brush. You can see it's flat at the beginning, right? It's flat. Again, we're getting a little bit of that. We're getting a little bit of that stainless steel starting to pop back up. But it's not getting all of it. All right. So the grate cleaning stone. Look at that. Just a little bit down and back, and it got all of that char off, okay? Now the deal is with this stone, as you use it, you'll see that it'll start off clean, it'll start off as a rectangle, or look kind of like a square sponge, but as you use it, it will break off into pieces. And so you're gonna have to buy probably 10 packs of these, 10, 12 at a time. Look at that. You see how clean that is? That stainless steel coming back. That's all because of this grate cleaning stone, all right? You can see all the dust coming off. It's all good. All right. So as you can see, this is what the porous stone will get you down to, all right? Now, the corners are gonna be a little bit more difficult, all right? But this is what we were working with, and this is what we got now, okay? You can see, I actually did the other side before I started the video, and you can see very, very, very clean grate, all right? This is what that porous stone will do. So as you use it, I use probably about almost the entire thing every time I clean, okay? So by the time I'm done cleaning the bottom of this grate, this stone will be pretty much useless and I have to throw it away. But when I clean the first side, I use an entire stone too. So if you're gonna clean your entire grate, you're probably gonna need 2 of these stones, all right? And as far as buying these, I will leave a link in the description down below, okay? I got a pack of 12 on Amazon, super cheap, like $7 or $8. But this is what I recommend using to clean your grates, all right? And then when you get done with this, you come back with your metal scraping brush, and this will help you get the dust, the porous stone. This will help you get all of that off of the grates before you go ahead and put your food on it, all right? Because you definitely don't want to be eating any of these stones, stone or the dust, just like you don't want to be eating the grate brush, the metal bristles, all right? So with that, I appreciate you guys checking out the video. We'll see you on the next video here on the channel, all right? Peace.